Hello everyone, and welcome to this pencil sketching tutorial by CraftXO. Craft Wow! Today, we'll create a detailed portrait of a person with a headband and mask. Gather your materials: a sketchbook, HB or 2B pencils, an eraser, and a sharpener. Let's start! Begin by placing your sketchbook on a flat surface. I'm using a cutting mat for stability, but any smooth surface will work. Take a light pencil and lightly draw the basic outline of the head. Keep it simple and oval-shaped. Let's work on the neck and shoulders. Sketch a basic outline for the neck, connecting it to the head. Add the collar or clothing line to frame the portrait. Move on to sketching the hairline. Start at the top of the head and draw a curved line to suggest the hair's starting point. Keep your strokes light so you can adjust as needed. Start adding the hair details. Use short, overlapping strokes to create the texture of the hair. Follow the natural flow, working from the top down. Take your time to build volume. Continue refining the hair. Add more layers of strokes to give it depth. Notice how the hair sweeps around the sides of the face. Follow that curve with your pencil. Now, let's focus on the ears. Lightly sketch the ear on one side, aligning it with the horizontal position and proportion. Keep the shape simple and adjust based on the hair's position. Move back to the hair and add more detail. You can add the volumes to get better looks. To make hair curves and volume more realistic, add shades as required. Add hairs to back of head too, as face is tilted a bit and revealing some hair from behind. Let's add the headband. Draw an outline for a curved band across the forehead, above the eyes. Next, draw the eyebrows above the eyes. First, draw outline with light lines for eyebrow and eyes itself. This outline will help you to draw them in right position. Follow the natural arch, using short, angled strokes to mimic hair. Adjust the thickness to match your desired style. Before sketching the detailed eyes, let's move back to the hair and add more detail. For a polished look of the portrait, darken the lines where the hair overlaps and refine the strands. Add shading to the hair for depth. Use a softer pencil for this. Make circular motions to create shadows where the hair layers overlap. This adds realism. Now is the time to darken the outline of face cuts, mask, neck, and clothing. Time to refine the two almond-shaped eyes we sketched earlier. Add the pupils and irises. Use a darker pencil for the pupils and leave a small white dot for light reflection. This brings the eyes to life. Now, let's decorate the headband across the forehead, above the eyes. Add some simple patterns or designs to give it character. Stars, flowers, or any basic design shapes would look great. Congratulations! Your pencil sketch is complete. You can now add color with markers or colored pencils if you'd like. Subscribe us if you like our easy-to-follow tutorials. Practice makes perfect, so keep sketching.